Give me your name.
Jeff Bates.
Okay. And talk about cover crops. You
Planting the wheat ground, wheat cover crop.
Yeah.
We put the wheels on the way I showed you.
Yeah.
And it covers them up. Looks like a zipper when you look behind it.
Yeah.
When we put them on originally, the way we got them was told to put them on, we couldn't pinch them together.
Okay.
And so now on one planter we have it totally aggressive on one side, and the other side laid back at the angle you see over there.
Yeah.
And
So it doesn't wrap or anything? Would it wrap if you had them the other way, you think?
No, we didn't wrap with.
You didn't wrap. They didn't wrap any.
Well, once in a while, but not
yeah,
bad.
but not bad.
It
Yeah.
had to be real damp in the morning or something.
Yeah. Early in the morning. Yeah.
So,
I'll be darned. How tall was your rye and stuff?
well, the wire of the wheat cover.
3-4 foot?
Oh no.
No.
15 inches was the tallest. And it was
Okay.
killed down for 2 weeks.
Yeah. Okay.
Some was a little green,
Yeah.
and where it was the greenest is where we put the rows in, like
Yeah.
I showed you. And we've
Yeah.
left them that way.
And it closed
Corn
a
and
lot
leaves.
better.
Oh yeah, looks like a zipper.
Yeah.
And we thought, well, we put them on wrong to begin with.
Yeah. I'll be darned.
But that,
Isn't that neat?
they're wider. But,
Yeah.
and then when you take you go down and look through the field, it looks like a zipper.
Really?
That is. Yeah.
I'll be darned. Yeah, they're not hitting. I'll be darned. And which one stayed the cleanest? Which
The one that looks aggressive right there.
Right there.
Yeah.
One that's peeling the stuff out of the ground, basically.
Yeah, it'll throw it off, I guess.
Yeah.
And the other one, it'll ride up around here, and they'll get about that thick.
Yeah. Doesn't.
That and it'll stay about.
I'll be darned.
And, you know, I'm not
Isn't that
talking running in mud. I'm
Yeah,
talking
right.
damp.
Just out. Normally we put it out like
Okay.
that. Yeah. There's
I've
what
got
it-
them on a 60-foot planter too. I just can't
And
remember.
we didn't like them at all.
I'll be darned.
But
Isn't that neat?
and we thought, well, hell, we looked at the wrong picture and we put
And
them
that's
together.
but that's the way you like it the best.
Oh, and it looks like a zipper.
Sure.
It
couldn't
just
close
zips
it
it
before.
shut. Where are you guys from?
Southern Kentucky, south of Bowling Green.
Really? I'll be darned.